Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure Google Maps is installed and you're signed in. This links your offline areas to your account. Once done, connect the iPad to Wi-Fi and keep it charging if the download is large, because offline maps use data and battery. Now open Maps, tap your profile icon, then choose Offline Maps and select your own map. You'll see a movable rectangle. That's the area you'll capture. Make sure it covers all streets and landmarks you'll need. Now you adjust exactly what you'll save. Use pinch and drag to expand the selection box until it includes the whole route and critical POIs. This controls file size and level of detail. Once positioned, give the offline map a clear name so you can find it later, and pick the highest detail only if you need walking, transit, or lane guidance. It increases storage. Tap Download and keep the app open while it completes. Background downloads can fail on some iPad settings. To use your map, open Google Maps and go to Offline Maps. Your saved areas appear there and searches within them work without internet. Before you travel, refresh or enable auto-update on Wi-Fi so data stays current. Make sure the offline map hasn't expired. If something goes wrong, first check iPad storage and that you're signed into the same account, then retry the download. If it still fails, reinstall the app. That clears corrupted cache and usually fixes persistent download errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.